So why did you throw out the previous gloves?
Because somebody else's handwriting.
Oh. Why don't you let me do the bathroom then? Since I have these gloves.
Okay.
No, I'll do both. This and the bathroom. Thank you.
This is polenta and I'm forgetting the word.
Plantain.
Plantain.
Yeah. Beetroot tartare. I do have some eggplant right here.
That's your favorite.
Yep. I have dragon fruit.
Your plate is so healthy.
I know.
Have you tried this before?
What is that?
This is the Brazilian infusion shot.
Oh, it's alcohol?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't take alcohol.
You don't drink?
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh,
You're gonna hold or finish good.
okay. Thank you very much.
You look like you have to be strong.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Amazing.
What was that?
Grilled cheese and honey.
And you said that was the best thing you've had.
This is really the best from Fogo de Chao. Oh my gosh, babe. This is your sixth bread.
Oh, it's so good. Look how good it looks.
Let's see.
This is the Brazil special, right?
Best of Brazil.